In this video today, I will show you how to fix Sportzfy match not showing. Please follow my method step by step. See, it's not opening. Back out of here. Now press and hold on the software. Click Info icon. Click Storage. Now delete clear data and clear cache. Back out of here. Now turn on any VPN. Now I'm showing you this VPN on. Now back out of here. Now turn your connection off and on again. Now open this app. Look, they're showing a match show here now. Now click on the ad to see ads here. Now click Match. Look, the match is being shown now. It's coming slowly because the internet is slow. If you like the video, please subscribe.